Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Zairul Shafira Idayu binti Muhammad Saufi with metric number 1170884. Okay, Alhamdulillah, today I will present what I have found about the stem cell research. Okay, first of all, before we go far, let's us know what is the stem cell research. Okay, stem cell research basically is a special human cell that has ability to grow and develop into many types of cell. This cell can replicate itself or can be regenerated by appropriate manufacturing process into different types of cell, such as red blood cell, nerve cell, muscle cell, and immune cell. Okay, so this stem cell has ability to treat many critical illness such as diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, or heart disease. Okay, so there are two types of stem cell, which is the embryonic stem cell and the adult stem cell. Okay, the adult stem cell, which is we know it as hematopoietic stem cell, is actually the only stem cell that has been used to treat the disease. This hematopoietic stem cell is come from the red bone marrow that can derive into many types of cell, which is the red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelet. Okay, so we move to the basic use of genetic engineering in the stem cell. Okay, so what I have found, the basic use of genetic engineering in the stem cell. The first is transgenesis. Transgenesis is a process where the genetically engineered gene are inserted to a species, which is to a stem cell. This transgenesis process is very important as it can increase the survival of the grafted stem cell by preventing inflammatory injury. Besides, this process will make the cell intelligent, as the cell will automatically respond to any stimulus, such as low oxygen level, high glucose level. It will respond to the hormone concentration or any drug or chemical agent. Okay, so the second basic use of genetic engineering in the stem cell is the reporter gene. Reporter genes such as green fluorescent protein, luciferase, and beta galactosidase gene will be inserted to a stem cell for certain purpose. This reporter gene actually act as an internal marker to label the cell. Each of reporter gene has its own advantages and disadvantages. This reporter gene make the stem cell visible, so that the scientist or researcher can observe where the stem cell located, such as under the skin, tissue, or under any tumor. Okay, so actually there are many biotechnology company that are doing research on stem cell. One of the company that doing research on the stem cell is the Artersis. Okay, so Artasis focus on developing regenerative medicine. This medicine actually is one of the method to overcome the limitation of the standard care on certain disease, especially the critical illnesses such as heart disease and Alzheimer disease. So Artasis come out with multi-stem cell therapy. This multi-stem cell therapy is their main R&D product for treating especially neurological disease and other critical illnesses. Okay, so what is actually the ultimate goal of Artasis in the future? Actually, the ultimate goal of the Artasis in the future is the multi stem cell. They are developing the multi stem cell actually to treat many disease such as heart disease, and even now they believe that multi stem cell can treat a coronavirus, which is COVID-19. Okay, so actually what is the differences between multi stem cell that's belong to the Artasis and other stem cell? So multi stem cell is the only stem cell that has been developed from the multipotent adult progenitor cell. Okay, if you can see, this is a multipotent adult progenitor cell, and this is MSC, which is mesenchymal stem cell. This mesenchymal stem cell is found in the body, such as bone marrow, skin, or fat tissue. However, this multipotent adult progenitor stem cell is obtained from the healthy adult bone marrow. Only this cell is come from healthy adult bone marrow. Okay, so actually what is the differences of multi-potent adult progenitor cell with mesenchymal stem cell? Okay, so this MAPC can regenerate outside the body, which is the scientist has replicate this stem cell outside the body through appropriate manufacturing process. So they don't have to generate this stem cell inside the body. This stem cell can regenerate inside the leg. Okay, that's the advantages of MAPC. Okay, second is this stem cell can be handled without the tissue matching. Okay, basically before we inject a stem cell to a patient, we have to do a tissue matching. As without tissue matching, the scientists are not sure if the stem cell is suitable or not to the patient. If it's not suitable, then the immune system will reject as the patient, the soldier in the patient body will recognize this as a foreign antigen. However, MAPC can be handled without tissue matching, as it is a special cell that differentiate from the healthy adult bone marrow, so it can be injected into the patient without having a tissue matching. So the third is it show a high ability to heal and repair tissue in many ways. This means that once the patient had been injected to this stem cell, so the ability to heal, the ability to treat any illnesses is high. I mean, the failure of this process is low. This MAPC very show a high ability, capable to heal and repair tissue in many ways without any other problem. Okay. A fourth, next is it can produce 1 million yield of doses, which mean it has a great potential to create a cell bank. Why? Because it didn't require any harvesting process. Harvesting process will consume so much time. Without harvesting process, so that this stem cell can be produced can be produced 1 million of yield. So the Arthrosis has a potential to create their cell bank. Okay. And next, this stem cell is act as a drug-like profile, which is this stem cell can enhance the immune system and promote tissue repair and healing by itself, without any administration of immune suppressive agent or any tissue matching. This is because of the nature of this special class of human stem cell. Okay, so the lastly, which is when once the multi stem cell is injected to a patient body, it will be removed from the body like a normal drug or treatment. Time pass by, it will be automatically removed from the body via the urine, such as via the urine or sweat. Okay, so and now Arthrosis believe that this multi stem cell that has developed from multipotent adult progenitor cell has a great potential to treat many critical illnesses. Yes, to treat many critical illnesses, and even now to treat a virus infection such as COVID-19. So that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.